my loves, today we are unboxing the giant Mickey pumpkin lantern from Shop Disney. I missed out on this last year. It came yesterday. I got it, it went live, I was gonna say October. Whoa, Sam. August 4th. It was supposed to come out August 7th. I legit sat with my phone and set an alarm and everything. And I was like, we're getting this pumpkin this year. You are not missing it. So I got my pumpkin. I was so happy. I was like, yeah. And I had to run out real quick, but I was like, I need to film this first because I can't wait anymore. Like, it came yesterday morning, but I blinked out there, sorry. And I was like, okay. And then I got home a little late and I was like, oh dang it, I can't unbox this. There's no good lighting. So I'm doing it today before I run out. Oh my god. Holy, what the heck? Oh my goodness. Wow, look at this. How cute is this? Oh my goodness. How do you like this up? I turned the light on. I don't know if you can see that because of the studio lights. I did turn the light on though. I don't think you can tell on camera. Ooh. Can I bring my Halloween decorations up now? I don't care if it's summer. I don't like summer. It's too hot and muggy. I love fall and winter. I mean, did you guys get this? Are you going to? It's sold out. I think it's coming back though. So keep an eye out for it. I paid $75 for this, both tax and shipping and everything was 80 something. But it was so worth it. Are you kidding me right now? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave some comments down below, turn on that notifications bell, that way you guys will not miss any uploads of mine, and please let me know, will you be picking up this cutie pie? With all of that said, until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.